Good morning, good day to everyone. Please follow along if you want to know how to upload your exams in iStudy. There are necessary things to do first before you upload your exams. So, let me show you my dashboard in iStudy so that you can follow and imagine how exactly are you going to upload your exam. So, let me now go directly to my iStudy. This is my dashboard. I have several courses, ethics, different schedules, or different sections. So let me try first to upload it in my ethics class. The first thing you should do is to switch on this button here. It says turn editing on. Okay, turn editing on. And then once you have turned it on, you click this icon here. This is the setting icon. Once you click this little triangle button that tells you that it is a drop down button, you have to click the more button here. Okay, the more options. So click this one, and then here you can see that there are several options for you to do. What I want you to do is to focus on this question bank at the bottom part. So I want you to click the categories first. Click category, and then name the category that you are going to make in your iStudy. In my case, let me put it prelim exam first sem 2022. Okay, so just like that, and no other things to do, just name the category. So click category or add category. Once it's added, you go to import. Okay, import. Then once you click the import, be sure to click this one, the icon format. That means that beforehand you already prepared your Word file in a text form. You saved your Word exam or exam in a Word in a text format. Okay, and then click also general, and then locate your category. Okay, if you don't change this one, automatically your exam will be uploaded in the default settings. But because you created a category, it will be easier for you to find out or to look for or to search for your exam or for your file. There you are. So you can choose also to click yes here or no. If you choose no, that means if there are errors in your exam, then there will be no pop-up messages. But if you turn yes, if there are something wrong with the format in your exam, then the iStudy will give you a message or will prompt a message that there's something wrong with your format. And then you have a chance to fix that. All right, so let's say, let me just turn off the yes. Okay, stop on error, and then there will be no option. Okay, I chose no as an option. So then choose the file where you got your file. There are two steps here. Once you click the choose file, you'll be directed to upload file here, and click this upload file, and then choose again another file. All right, and then locate where your exams are, or where is the exam that you're going to upload. So for me, it's in my second semester 2021-2022 in my ethics class. And my exams and quizzes I already have prepared here. So you see here, this is my quiz. Okay, this is the Word file, but I need the text file. The text file is this one. You see? So the arrangement here, take note, the arrangement should be no numbers in every question, and all capital letters for my options. You can also choose close parenthesis after letter A, for example, or every other option. Okay, so this is the format of the exam. Okay, in text file. All right, so here we are. I have already prepared these questions, and so let me now upload this one. So click this one and then click open. Then upload the file, and after it's uploaded there, you have to click import. So there you are. That means I have 15 questions for my quiz. And then after that, there are no errors at all because I made it a point that the format is okay. And then I click continue. There's no exam yet, but I want you to go to and click this one. Go back to your dashboard here, and then you need to make an entry, add an activity, and choose quiz. Where is the quiz? Here is the quiz. Let me put a star there so that it will be the only one to appear next time. So let's see. So when I click add, there'll only be quiz because I only chose quiz. But if you want to see all, just click all if you want to make another entry. But in this case, I only started quiz so that it will be easier for me to see. Then I named the quiz title. So again, it's also the prelim exam, prelim quiz. It should be prelim quiz. Okay, let's say prelim exam. Okay, first sem 2022, and then you can give instruction here. Then you can click this display description if you have a description. For example, choose the best and correct answer. Yan. Then you can put the timing. When do you want the exam to start? So if you can enable this one to today's February 2, and then 10 o'clock, or you want to start it at February 3, for example, tomorrow, starting at 07 a.m. Okay, you can put it there. And then you want to end it, you just enable this one and say February 4 at 3 o'clock, which is 15. Okay, as my instruction, 15, like that. And then you can also put the time limit. So in this case, I could put, for example, 30 minutes quiz. Okay, maybe you can put here quiz, first sem quiz. Let me just first sem, first quiz. Sorry, first quiz. All right, and then grade. Be sure that you click the number 1 only, because if you don't, then they will have an unlimited attempt. They can try and try again without limit. So we only limit it to 1 attempt per exam. Okay, and then you can also play around here, but I only configure the review options. I uncheck all of this. Okay, so the finding out of the exam, the marks or the score will only appear after the quiz is closed. Okay, after the quiz is closed, that means by Friday, this coming February 4, that's the time only for them to see their score, not immediately, because it can be shared to other students and their classmates what was going on inside the iStudy. So to secure, at least somehow let the score be seen by all the students after the exam is done, when everybody has already taken the exam. Then you can also put an extra restriction if you want. Click more, and then the browser, you can choose also the pop-up with some JavaScript security. And then just like that, no other other settings that I tinker, but you can explore. If you have some other options to tinker here, be sure that you know what's the result of each of the options, and then click save and return to course. Okay, so it gives us a message here from Aeolus, because Aeolus reminds us that Friday afternoon is a preparation day. That means there should be no other exams when the Sabbath has started already. So I set only to 3 o'clock because usually at 4 o'clock or 5 o'clock, Aeolus is already inaccessible. That means you can no longer access Aeolus even if you're a student or a faculty. That is somehow to tell us that Sabbath should be observed as set by the Aeolus people. All right? So there you are. So it's ready. All right, so you don't have the exam yet because you only made an entry. The next is to edit this exam. So click here, and then in the tour, edit quiz. After you click the edit quiz, click shuffle so that the questions of the exams will shuffle. It will not be the same like the other students as well. So shuffle, and then add. So you here in add, you have three options. Add a new question when you want to type all your questions from the start, right there inside the iStudy. You have also the second option, which is to get your question from the question bank. In our case, we uploaded the exam already in the question bank, so this will be our second option. Or you can have random questions if you want. But normally, if you prepared your exam already ahead of time via Word file and then saved it as text, then the best option is in the question bank. So in this case, you'll be prompted with this window. Then you need to search where your exam is. So as I prepared earlier, it is in the prelim exam first sem. Alright, and then these are all the questions. I have 15 questions, so you can check them all by clicking this upper box here. And then everything is selected, and then add selected questions to the quiz. There you are. So once they are all added, that means your exam is ready. So you can change this one into 15 points and save it. There you are. And then to check, you can go to again to the main page of your section and double check. You click this one, and then you can preview now your quiz. Okay, and then you can start the attempt. So you know and review each question, whether there are some loopholes, if there are some glitches, if there are some problems with your question, so that before you finally publish it, before the students see everything, they should, you have already corrected or checked and fixed some of the problems. So if there are no questions, then you just go to the next page again. Or if you don't want to click next page, you just directly click here, number 4, okay, number 5, but I prefer next. Okay, there you are. All right. There's also another one. No question at all. No problem with the questions. No problem. We are now in the number 12, 13, 14, and the last question, 15. So far, no problem with all the questions. So I can now click finish attempt. There you are. So the questions, the quizzes are ready. Submit and finish. So there you are. There you are. All the questions are done, and now I can go back to, is there another option here? Finish the preview. There you are. So you can click here, and then the quiz, first quiz. This will be published. Okay, this will be published. So I can also edit if I want to the settings. So click here, the settings. For example, if I want the exam or the quiz to be seen today, then let it be seen today. Okay, there you are. And shall I make it a quiz or maybe an exam? So this will just be a first quiz. Okay, and then you just save it if you want. There you are. All right, so just like that. You can do the same thing also with the other section. All right, so go to this dashboard and again, and then try again with the other sections, just like that. But be sure that your exams must be prepared correctly from the start when you type it in the Word file. All right, in the Word file, and then save as text or plain text. Let me show you how it is done. So going back to my files here, for example, if the exam is in the Word file, let me see, where's the Word file of the first quiz? First quiz. This is the quiz. You see this one? This is the first example. First quiz doc. Okay, here. Let me show you how. Okay, so this is the original one before I saved it. So it is only for Word file. So everything, first, it should be no numbers for each entry. You provide the options A, B, C, D, and then the answers. Okay, and the answer there is already provided. Then click here the file, and then save as. Save as. After the save as, change this Word document file into plain text. There you are, plain text, or just simply .text. If you click this one, then you will have a text file instead. So click this one, and then it asks me to replace. So I can replace this one. There you are, and then just click OK if there was already another file saved earlier. So just like that, that's how you save your file into a text. So you provide the answers. Okay, there you are, and thank you for watching.